Welcome to Social 5 University. This is Jeremiah Stetler, your host, as we talk about some of the cool technologies that are in place to help you with LinkedIn prospecting. Today, we're going to give you a virtual tour of Social 5's technology for automating and assisting with some of the day-to-day prospecting efforts that you go through on LinkedIn. Now, to provide some perspective, everything that we focus on here at Social 5 is designed to make your time more efficient and more scalable. There's a quote that I love. This is from our CEO, Rob Wellman. It says, no matter how innovative the solution, it can never be successful without meticulous, deliberative, and fierce attention to scale. Now, for those of you who took our LinkedIn prospecting webinar, we went through a pretty in-depth discussion about how to identify prospects, whether it happens to be for finding new customers, whether it is for finding partners, or whether it happens to be just for finding a new job or new employment. Everything work on LinkedIn, that's the perfect space for it. It's a professional network for reaching out to those types of people. But here's one of the challenges is, do you want to go through the day-to-day process of running searches and finding people and clicking all those boxes and reaching out with individual connection requests to everyone? Our technology is designed to take some of your top search results and be able to cultivate and nurture some of those prospects in a way that it sends leads to you when those leads are ready and when they are interested, as opposed to spending a lot of guerrilla warfare time with connecting with people individually. So we're going to talk about a number of items: how to build campaigns through the Social 5 technology, how to automate prospect lists, how to manage your communications with people who do reach out, and then ultimately how to create lead lists that can be used for ongoing marketing purposes going forward. So we're going to start with the building campaigns, which can be done right here on the dashboard. What you're seeing is what's behind the login credentials of our software. So when you join our service, you'll receive a username and a password that will lead you right into this dashboard. Under campaigns, you have the option to create a number of different search criteria for people who match your ideal customer or partner persona. This can be done through a free LinkedIn search. Okay, that was under the LinkedIn prospecting webinar. This was the first way that we explored. You can do it through a paid Sales Navigator search, which opens up the door for some additional fields such as seniority level, company size, or even for being able to target people who are in particular groups, okay, that you may or may not be a part of, okay. You can do it through specifically for groups. You can look at people who have engaged with a LinkedIn post, people who are part of your network, or, and this has come up just in the last week, people who have a list of prospects that they would like to reach out to on LinkedIn as well, okay. You can import that list into LinkedIn, and it will allow you to launch a campaign to nurture those contacts. All right, so once you do that, or I should say, how you do that is you go to LinkedIn, and this is an example of my LinkedIn Sales Navigator page. You go through and you conduct your search, okay, based on seniority level, years of experience, company, job title, any of those things. Once you hit apply, it's going to generate this link that's up at the top of your Sales Navigator or your LinkedIn platform, okay? That link is important. You'll just drop that directly into our technology. You'll see right up here at the top was where we had our free LinkedIn search, our Sales Navigator group, all those things we just discussed. Once you click on the method you would like to use, simply take that URL for your search results and pop it right there, click next, and it's going to import all of those prospects into this dashboard so that you can launch your campaign. Super easy. Now, you can do this yourself. That's totally fine. But as you know, with the Social 5 service, we do it for you. We will do a strategy call with you, and then we will conduct that search, whether it happens to be through Sales Navigator, whether it happens to be a Boolean search, whether it happens to be through a traditional LinkedIn account, okay? Just depending on the complexity of the search results that it takes to get what you're looking for, okay? That's the first step to any campaign, is identifying the people that you want to reach out to. The second step of building that campaign is creating a messaging sequence. So a sequence of actions that take place to warm up that lead and bring that to a sales call. So if I click on sequences, it gives me an option to do a number of things. You'll see here, I can view a profile, I can follow their page, I can invite them to connect with me, I can send a message, I can send an endorsement. All of those things are items that I can set up in whatever sequence or however long of a sequence as I want it to be, okay? So in this case, I always love to start with viewing a profile, because what it does is the prospect receives a note that I went and viewed their profile, okay? Like, oh, okay, so-and-so must be genuinely interested. If this was automated technology, why would they come and view my profile, right? So that is my first step. And 24 hours later, I follow their page, which they get notified about as well. Now, if we come down to this connection request, that is an important one, and this is the destination for this campaign. You can create a connection request of up to 300 characters using a merge field, and a merge field is simply this first name. It imports the name from their profile into your message. So, hello, so-and-so, just saw your profile. I want to reach out. My name is Jeremiah. I run a social marketing agency in Salt Lake City. I'm piloting a free social marketing service for awesome businesses, but I need some folks to give the program a test drive. I'd love to connect. You can see that in a scalable way, I'm trying to connect with them geographically, and I'll many times do separate campaigns for different geographic areas that allow me to connect in that way. So look for scalable ways to have some common ground. If you're going after a group, like it may be, hey, I saw you in the investigative reporters and editors group. I would love to connect with you. That creates some common ground for a campaign that feels a little bit more localized. Now, one thing that you can do on here is you'll see there is a message button. This generally happens after the connection request. So this would be my step 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. You could actually have multiple messages that go out after the connection request takes place. These can go out 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, 30 days after whatever step it is. And typically it's after the connection request. I send it 1 day after that connection request is accepted, okay? Generally for me, I know I've seen some people do messaging sequences that have 9 additional messages. That's really, really long, okay? And it's kind of irritating. But I would generally limit that to no more than 3 messages. I personally, in my prospecting efforts through this technology, I do just 1, okay? I send out 1 follow-up message that says, hey, thank you so much for connecting. Can't wait to talk with you. And I've got some different types of messages that go out to those individuals. And then I engage manually after that message, okay? So then it becomes a sales conversation. I would highly encourage you not to put a Calendly link in that follow-up message. It's putting the onus on them to engage with you in a sales conversation, okay? All right, so that's the basics of setting up a sequence of your campaign. So we've identified our audience, we've created a sequence of messages, and now we go through the automation. Our technology will now start to go to work. It will show you how many prospects are now dropped into your pipeline based upon the people that you targeted. And then it will show you day after day what is being done on that account. So how many people, how many profile views are happening on that given day? You know, how many, how many profiles I am following? How many connection requests I have sent? How many people accepted those connection requests? And then how many follow-up messages were sent, okay? So all of this is designed so that you can stay plugged in to the campaign without having to do the whole thing yourself, right? And you will be able to aggregate any reactions. Like you'll see that I have 2 messages that came in on this particular date. I can then go to the inbox on our dashboard right here, and you'll see all sorts of different types, all of the people who have connected with me, what messages I have responded to, which ones are unread that I need to reach out to make sure that I am staying in touch with those individuals. Now, this is a tool that is designed to make your inbox more of a CRM than an inbox, okay? The LinkedIn inbox is a pain in the Watusi to work with, right? But this one helps you easily discern with color coding who to go after and who needs to be contacted as part of your day. All right, and then lastly, our system will create a lead list for you that it's a Google Doc, and it will keep track of anyone who is connected with you with their name, job title, their email address, and their phone number. Now, what we do at Social 5 that I believe so strongly is we want to help you to make sure your campaign has wings, and so we assign an expert technician, a LinkedIn strategist, to manage everything for you and send you those leads as they develop. Now, that package and that service for Social 5, for those of you who aren't members already of Social 5, it is $450 a month with a $100 one-time setup fee. It includes live access to the Social 5 technology, a strategy session with a Social 5 specialist, prospecting campaigns built for you with the custom search criteria that we develop, so you don't have to go through a crazy Boolean search or navigate Sales Navigator. We will manage your campaign. We'll monitor your messages and reply to people until they get to a point where they would like to meet with you or hear more about your service. And then we'll provide you with a link to the Google Drive sheet that will allow you to monitor and look at all of those lists going forward. So if you have any questions on this service, please don't hesitate to reach out. Our email address is support@social5.com, and you can, of course, see all sorts of additional videos like this here at university.social5.com. All right, have a wonderful day. We'll talk soon.